Hello, this video will explain how to convert an inquiry to an estimate in PriceDoctor. Under the Inquiries tab, find your chosen project and click View Inquiry to be taken into the Inquiries Overview page. In here you can see all the information for this project. You can access your project actions, which allow you to interact with your clients via the PriceDoctor system, as well as with the project itself. Once you've completed the estimate, the Inquiry Breakdown section will self-populate with the items and materials needed for that project and their rough cost. This is based on the information that you put into the estimating tool. PriceDoctor will price up the different sections to produce a total estimated value. To begin estimating, click on the Get PriceDoctor Quote button. The estimating tool is comprised of 3 basic questions which will allow PriceDoctor to create a rough estimate based on your answers. The first decides how many floors your extension will have. The second decides the basic shape of your extension. And the third decides the dimensions. From your choices, PriceDoctor will create a rough cost for this project. If you're not happy with this final estimate, you can go back and tweak your answers. If you are, click Return to Project. Your inquiry has now moved into the Estimation tab. And here you have your estimated price, which you can forward to your client for approval.